this is the right hand page. We've got the photo placemats here. So what we will do is I'll just put adhesive along here so I can attach this. So that's attached. Take this strip off. Okay, so according to the instructions, we're looking at right layout for layout 1, and we're up to number 6 here. So we need to do it 1 1/4 inches from the top of the layout and an 1/8 of an inch from the left hand side. So I will put some adhesive on this. And we're doing 1 1/4 inches down and an 1/8 of an inch in. Okay, and then this one we just adhere. We're up to number 8, and it says just to adhere it an 1/8 of an inch down from the top one. So we'll line them up, and it's just a small border. Okay, so now we're doing some stamping and we're just about finished. So it says stamp You Are My Favourite sentiment using the toffee ink. So we'll grab the stamp set, and the You Are My Favourite is this one here. Let's put this up for a sec. Now when you're doing anything that needs to be straight, I always put it on my Versamat upside down so the flat bit is up, and line it up with the stripes so that I know that it is straight, and then put my block right on top. Now this is straight off the sheet, so I will season it and grab my toffee ink. And what I might do is I might just stamp it a couple of times just to make sure that it is, here we go. And where's my foam tape? My foam underneath, there it is. That always makes sure that the stamp is nice and even. So let's have a look and see how it stamps. Beautiful. You Are My Favourite memory. So we can do that. It says to do it just above the photo mat in the quatrefoil. It's a little bit hard to see, but it is just above there. Have I got a larger? No, you can't see because the photo mat's up, but it's just sort of on that left hand, on the right hand side there. So we'll ink it up. And don't you love the acrylic blocks, because you can actually see where you're going. So I might just stand up for this and put it on the edge. It's always a bit of a worry when you're stamping straight on there, just in case it messes up, but it looks fine to me. And then we're also doing some more stamping. I'll just clean that off and put that away. We're stamping this big one. If you will notice here, it goes just in there. So let's grab this one. And the 4x4 ink block. It fits perfectly onto. We'll need to season this. Just take away the shininess so that the ink actually sticks onto it. And I might just move this away because again, I'm going to just stamp. I'll find something to stamp on. That will do. just to make sure that the stamp is working okay. Nothing worse than stamping it onto something that you can't change, you can't put it over. Just to make sure that all the ink is getting on fine. I've got the that little foam thing underneath it, and we'll stamp it. Hold it for a couple of seconds. Now see, it's a little bit light there, but as you can see, it's sort of a distressed look, so it's not too perfect, which is good. So I'll stamp it up again, ink it up again. Fits perfectly on this 4x4, so you don't have to worry about any ink going on the edges. Okay, so then we'll bring this down and have a look at the way they've done it. Okay, so that's just underneath there into that corner, and it just goes over the little bluebird just a little bit. Okay. So there we go. Hold it down for a little bit because there's some solid colour in there. You want it to just all take. Just roll it over, make sure that you've got even pressure on it all. And there we go. I'm happy with that. That looks pretty good. So to finish this off, we just need to put some of the zip strips on and our little butterfly. If you'll notice, you've got amazing here. This happened, so we'll put that over there. And then amazing, I will put on foam tape and put over there. And then we've got the butterfly. And I've got some, so the journaling strips that they've got underneath here, we'll leave them till later. Okay, you can put them on whenever you want to. So let's put this on. Sort of overlapping that sticker that we've got. And then I'll put some foam tape on this one. It's just nice having a layering effect on it. Take that off and then just bring that over so that it's overlapping a little bit. There we go. And then the butterfly. Now I've brought in some of the dots, so we can use them. So if I just put it down over the top of it and put a few of them on, and where's the next one? Here we go, on this side. I'll put it down there. Okay, so I've got 3 dots on there, and how have they put it? They've just put it on an angle just above there. Oh, and they've got some dots as well. I didn't even see those. I don't think there's anything else. See how there's a couple of dots there? So it looks like a large one and a small one. So we'll put, could be a medium one and a small one. I don't know that we've got any. It's a bit hard to tell what colour they are. Maybe we'll use the sage. A medium one and a small one. There we go. Okay, so that's layout 1 completed. Let's bring the other page up. So, doesn't look too bad. This is the flip flap, and then the flip flap this way. Love it. Love those colours. And then we'll put the journaling strips on at a later stage. So that's layout 1 completed. Congratulations.